Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here with one of my older setups. It's a little drone. Built this little drone for my son, but just had the urge to come out here and do some line of sight flying with it. Really nice day today. Light breeze and all. Let's get it in the air. Got an 850 in here. Came towards me. Haven't flown line of sight in a long time. My son never really got to fly this too much. He likes to fly FPV. And I'll be scared to let him fly my little drone's FPV. Oh. Lost orientation. It's easy to lose orientation when you got a little tiny root. Oh, couldn't see it that time. And you got to remember it's in acro mode sometimes. Sometimes I forget. So you got to be real light on the controls, or else it'll flip over like that. Still a little clumsy flying line of sight after not flying it for a long time. Flying these planes and stuff. I'm getting back to it though. Not your ideal drone to be doing line of sight with. This is a 1S, by the way, so not a lot of power. It can pull off loops and everything, but uh-oh, this bird don't like me in this space. I almost forgot the trees are out here. This battery is probably spent now. I don't want to kill it. My yaw rate right there. Quick little flight of this little hybrid build that I made. I call them FRANKEN builds. Just added, sheesh, flying around. Just added a few different brands to this little frame here. I think the frame is from Beta FPV, and the top here is from Happy Model, the canopy and the camera and all. Got a little 850 milliamp hour GMB 1S in here with the that's not a BT 2.0. I forget the name of that little connector that's compatible with BT 2.0. And these are Beta FPV props too. 85 millimeter. Thanks for watching.